Guys, I'm so guilty. I took so many days off of Duolingo, but I'm back and I'm going to reload. I've been doing some other lessons. I had to clear up a bunch of lessons on my YouTube channel because YouTube doesn't allow like automatic, just whatever, mindless robotic stuff. And I don't even know if I'm explaining that properly, but anyways, we're jumping back into Duolingo today, full force. We did the basics with Crown King on that, so we're going into greetings now. Oh, I know you've seen a video every day, but I took about a week off. I'm just so lazy and guilty, but you know, my confession is sound. And I'm back.
Oui.
Oh, you're too quiet there, buddy.
Oui.
Oui. Yes. Solid.
Ça va.
Ça va. Ça va? Means fine, right? Why didn't they teach you that? They haven't taught me that. I just knew that.
Oui, Marie.
That's why you guys need to do those repetition, learn space repetition French with me. I got such a solid foundation doing that. It's starting to really click in my brain now. Oui, Marie. I can't speak now. Rex the recording.
Marie.
Oui, Marie. Yes, Marie.
Ça va bien.
Ça va bien. There's the angry teenager. It's going good, right? Doing fine? Would it be doing fine or I am doing fine?
Bien.
I am doing well. So let's try I am doing fine. I am doing well.
Bien.
Oh, they're gonna ding me on that, right? I am doing well. All right.
Bonjour. Comment ça va?
Bonjour, comment ça va? That's good morning. How are you, right? Or how are you doing? How are you doing? I like it. How do you say well is bien?
Bien.
Bien. Gotta say it like the robot. Bonjour, Charlotte. Comment ça va? Ça va bien? I'm doing fine. I'm doing well.
Ça.
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 Are you gonna tell me what this means?
Ça.
Ça. Bonjour, je suis un chat. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Je suis un chat. Uh-oh. Just a second, I gotta open the door. I'm in the middle of a... Whoa. Oh my gosh. Shopping time.
The thing.
It's Christmas. Okay, I'll be done in like 5 minutes. Ooh. Ooh. How do you say how? Comment?
Comment?
Comment? Comment?
Oui, ça va bien.
Oui.
Oui.
Ça va bien.
Bien.
Oui, ça va bien. Match the pairs is how is comment. Hello,
Comment?
bonjour.
Bonjour.
Garçon is a boy.
Garçon.
Dog is chien.
Chien.
Fille.
Fille.
Fille. Yes, Marie. Oui, Marie.
Oui, Marie.
Gotta say it just like that. How are you doing? Comment?
Comment?
Comment ça va, right? Ça va.
Va.
Or you say bonjour. Comment ça va? No, you don't say good morning, right? Come on! Da-da. I don't get a dance or anything? There we go. Wow, I was getting worried there. Like, you're a stranger. We don't know you. You haven't seen you in a week. No dancing for you. I'm coming to